Hi guys. Let's talk through what needs to be accomplished this week. Okay, so what we have is we're still in Unit 2, but man, we're coming to the end of it. So we have day 5 and day 6 items that need to be completed. And then notice, look, we have only day 7 and day 8 next week, and then we're going to be doing the review and the test after that. So we're really chugging along. We've accomplished a lot this year. So let's see. Day 5, you have your notes. We have the videos. Okay, so here's our Learning Target 3 videos. And then there's the link to your Nearpod slides. And remember, Nearpod is sending me a report after you finish, and that's how I've been grading your guided notes, is you go to this link, then you load it in a new page. From there, Nearpod will pop up and your name will be in here, and then you join the lesson, and then you're filling out your notes as you go through. Okay? And so that was notes and slides for day 5. Discussion, concept check here, and then the assignment. Okay, just a traditional assignment. From there, day 6, again, is this a more traditional week actually? Day 6 slides and assignment. Okay, so completing day 5 and day 6 worth of materials. It's due Friday at 11:59 p.m. And then next week we'll have another virtual lab. I'm excited to try this out. We're going to try something new there. And then we'll have a day of lecture, and then we'll be done with the unit. So we'll be taking our second test soon. All right, guys, I think that's everything. I think that's all. Oh, something I wanted to mention. Make sure you are checking PowerSchool for your grades. So all the stuff is turned in on Canvas, but Canvas doesn't weight the grades the same way that PowerSchool does. 80% of your grade is your score on the exams. So make sure you're checking PowerSchool to see what your grade is for this course. Always check Canvas to see if it's missing or anything like that. But as far as your final grade and what's going to be on your high school transcripts, that's PowerSchool. Okay. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and join me for one of our study session Google Meetings if you want to talk through anything, or you have questions about materials or anything like that, or you want to have more like face-to-face conversation about it. All right, have a wonderful week.